Welcome friends, today in this video I'll show you how you can download emulator and run your Android app into your emulator. It's very easy to download emulator into your Android Studio. You just need to follow some step. I'll show you. Click on here. Now just click on AVD Manager. This pop-up show you. Click on create virtual device. After click on, you show lots of options: TV, phone or tablet. We select phone and you also select your phone size, 5 inch, 6 inch and others. We will select recommended and click on OK. Now your device name and other basic settings, you can change it. You also, if you don't want to change the settings, click on OK, then next. Click on next. Now you need to download. Click on accept. Now next. Your virtual device is start downloading. After download it's look like this. You just need to click on start button. Firstly I minimize this and select this phone for run my Android app. Firstly I'll show you. Now my emulator is starting. It takes some time for first time. Your API must be same as you see 30 or 30. Now select and click on run button. Run app. And my app is start. My app is look like this. So my emulator is working fine. If your emulator is created successfully and working fine, please subscribe my channel and like the video. For more videos visit our channel Coding World.